I don't really know what was that, but I do know that it was fun. Oh, it's reflecting. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing like the reaction of the buyer, that is Casey, and also Casey me, and also like things that you can do in your board, like 2 to 3 things like. And I also want to thank Chang Ji for her sweetest comments ever. She is awesome. No words to describe her. She's one of the best friends I've ever had. So you probably want to check her out. And if you're my classmate, you know her. She's so good. So yeah, let's get started. And this video is all for you. Thank you so much. You helped me. You are like encouraging me to make more videos every day. You're the best. Let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. That's very good style. Or this, or whatever. Anyways, I received a very big package from one Squishy Lover 123. So definitely go check her out on Instagram and follow her there. Check out her amazing squishies I bought from them because they had amazing, reasonable, good, fantastic prices. So yeah, am I saying it clear? It's just my camera or my quality. It's not good. Like the louder I speak, like even if I speak loud, the volume just goes low, which is very bad. So yeah, let's check. So she gave me this very cute perfume. And it's the funny thing is that it's not full. It's almost like this much. This much. Anyways, I'm gonna wear it. Amazing. And I think this is an extra because I never ordered this. Amazing extra. Another extra. I'm sure this is an extra because I did order a like, I'm shouting, I know. I did order a like cotton candy squishy, but it was not in paper form, so I don't think this is the one. I'm sure this is extra. Lovely extras. You're so creative. I'll I'll give the link down below, so definitely go check out. Aww, I guess she makes paper squishies on every squishy that I order, which is amazing. Maybe this is my Punimaru bear breakfast squishy, bear pancake squishy, my unicorn. I never ordered for a unicorn horn. Maybe it's an extra, cause I never ordered for a unicorn horn. There was not even a unicorn horn in her profile. Aww. Wait a minute. There is no squishy in here. They're all papers. You mean these are my squishies? I didn't order this, so I didn't order this. Nah, not this. So let's check. So I suppose this is my Punimaru bear pancake squishy. Really? Piece of paper? $10 for this? Oh, this video is gonna be long, so grab a snack, a drink, and chill. Like, it's almost over, but grab a drink. It's so sweet. So I think this is my Punimaru strawberry, which I'm very disappointed. Sorry, it's not on focus. Oh my god, there's an end. There's an end. So disappointing. My cotton candy. Okay, I know I did not say which size, so it's also my fault. But it's also their fault. They should have at least given me the real thing. Like, Just because I didn't say the size doesn't mean that you'll give me this paper. Think this is my Kunimaru animal donut. Wow, I never ordered a poop extra. Okay, I was expecting so much for this Punimaru kitty marshmallow squishy. I was like, I'm gonna brag. God. So this is my dog bread dog. I don't care if it's airy and nice, it's not a squishy, right? I never ordered for a watermelon. Never ordered. Ah, yes, I did order. It's all pieces of paper. My jumbo ice cream. This is mini ice cream, not jumbo. Look, it's not big. Anyways, I'm super disappointed, but where is my rainbow unicorn squishy? Is this it? Because I never ordered for a unicorn horn.